Como combines gracefully curved glass and gleaming stainless steel to create a light and airy environment. This timeless Italian original is an icon that will dazzle your guests. Like the freshness of an ocean breeze, the powerful 600 CFM blower will keep the air smoke-free, the walls and cabinets squeaky clean, and the kitchen comfortable. Flush mount easy touch buttons with LCD display control dual-level halogen lights and the 4-speed blower. Plus offers convenience features such as clock, countdown timer, and clean filter reminder. It will even turn on automatically if the heat gets too high. Elica's optimized aspiration systems ensure quiet operation even at top speed, allowing you to comfortably talk and entertain while cooking. A heavy-duty stainless steel filter with patented micro-hole design captures more grease, requires less cleaning, and enhances the hood's overall appearance. Filter removal is literally a snap, and the dishwasher makes cleaning effortless. Optional accessories include a duct cover extension which reaches up to 10-foot ceilings, and a kit for recirculating installations. Como by Elica, iconic design and high performance.